Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Telegram file not downloading. To know how to fix or how to solve Telegram file not downloading, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Telegram and you will enter. Then in this page here, you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage here. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click manage storage. And after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.